வென்று முகம் தொலைத்தேன் மனம் விட்டாய் போனது உன்னை கண்கள் தேடுது தோழ கைகள் நீளு இதயம் துடிக்கின்றதே எங்கும்
நாடு பணிந்து புகழ்ந்திடவாரி தாயின் பணிக்கொடி பாரி அதை தாழ்ந்து பணிந்து புகழ்ந்திடவாரி
wonderfully well. Let us give a big round of applause for ourselves. Very good. August 15th. What is the date today? 14th August, isn't it? Why are we celebrating it today? Tomorrow we have holiday, isn't it? Okay, so on holiday we cannot come and celebrate like this all together. We cannot gather and celebrate with our parents. So we have celebrated it today. Okay, so you should not get the confusion of the date. Okay, so August 15th only is our Independence Day. So now, 78th Independence Day we are celebrating, right? This year we are celebrating 78th Independence Day. So, in order to get freedom to do what we wish. Okay, as children, now only you are growing up. You do not know what is right and what is wrong. So certain times we will restrict you from doing certain things. Isn't it? Okay, so that is done because we have to mold you at this time. Now, since I am speaking to the students, I am speaking in English. You all can follow English now? Right? Yes or no? What I am speaking, can you all understand? Yes. Okay. So, later on, in future, once you complete all, many girl children, they never had seen the school, how it looks like, or they didn't get the chance to get good education. But of our great leaders. So today it is the day where we have to remember all our superheroes who work for our nation, isn't it? There are two different type of approach for getting independence. Another group through violence we have to achieve it. Another group they thought non-violence we have to get independence. Okay, so both the sides they work for the common goal. What was the common goal? What was the aim? We have to get independence. We have to have our own country with our own ruling, isn't it? Our own government where people are ruled by our own people, not by.
So much energy. I like to see you all like this. All of you had breakfast? I can see it in your energy. Good morning, parents. Not matching the children. Good morning, parents. Very nice. See, because of you, your parents are also coming to your level. Right? You liked March Past? It was fun to do? Parents, on this Independence Day, I would like to ask you, உங்கள்கிட்ட ஒரு சின்ன request. Always நம்ம night time stories இந்த மாதிரி சொல்லுவோம்ல childrenக்கு? Yes, we say, right? Usually in older days, when we were young, our grandparents, நம்ம grandparents எல்லாம் சொல்லுவாங்க, தாத்தா பாட்டி எல்லாம் அந்த ஸ்டோரிஸ், ஃப்ரீடம் எப்படி வந்துச்சு, யார் யார் அதுக்கு ரொம்ப ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டாங்க, யார் யார் அவங்க லைஃப் சாக்ரிஃபைஸ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க, அதெல்லாம் ஸ்டோரிஸ் நம்ம கிராண்ட்பேரண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட வந்து நம்ம கற்றுக்கிட்டோம். பட் இந்த ஜென்ரேஷனுக்கு என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா மோஸ்ட்லி நம்ம நியூக்ளியர் ஃபேமிலிஸ், ரைட்? ஒன்ஸ் இன் எ வைல் வெக்கேஷனில் தான் கிராண்ட்பேரண்ட்ஸை பார்க்க போகிறோம். Some children are lucky, they have their grandparents to tell them those stories. But as a parent, namma enna pannalam? We have that before sleeping time, and the time we can tell them all these stories. Who yaar namakku yaar Bhagat Singh, who is Allur Ramarajan, adella நம்ம இவங்களுக்கு இப்பயே கற்றுக் கொடுக்கலாம். அது ஒரு ஸ்டோரி மாதிரி சொன்னால் அவங்களுக்கு they will be interested, நல்லா கேட்பாங்க இன்ட்ரெஸ்டோட. ஸோ தட் இஸ் மை humble request for all the parents here. பண்ணலாமா parents? I'm not asking you. Did I ask you? I asked parents only, no? Mallama parents? Okay. So, how have a freedom? Can we all give a big applause to all our soldiers? So, who else is contributing to the development of the country? We are very happy, safe inside the country, right? Where we are living. Who else is contributing? Tell. Who is soldier? Teachers. They're teaching you, no? So you can go outside and police. Very good. Who else? Doctor. Anyone else is there? So many people, so many professions. Engineers, doctors, police, even postman, everyone. Because of their work, we can all be safe and happy because everything is being arranged for us. Okay? Can we give a big round of applause for all of them? How will you show your respect for our country? We are also doing our part to this country by being good children and by studying and participating in all the activities, sports, right? All of you will do that? All of you are good children? So you should study well and participate in all the things in the school and outside the school also. You can go for special activities and also you can concentrate on sports. Here, how many of you are playing at least one sport? Can you raise the hand? Be sincere. How can you be? And will you go in line for everything? Washroom, or if you're going for your activity, E-block. You will go in line, right? What is that called? Very good. So you will be disciplined, right? So you should be sincere and disciplined to achieve great things in life. Understood? All of you will do your part for this country? Jai Hind. Very good. Thank you. And will you go in line for everything? Washroom, or if you're going for your activity, E-block. You will go in line, right? What is that called? Very good. So you will be disciplined, right? So you should be sincere and disciplined to achieve great things in life. Understood? All of you will do your part for this country? Jai Hind. Very good. Thank you.
Against நீ மாமனா மச்சான் மானம் கெட்டவனே யாருக்கு பிரைஸ்லே எதிர்த்து கேட்கிறாய் வழி ஓர் அடித்து நிற்க வைக்கும் மேலே நட்டுள்ள ஒரு கூட்டம் கருவிலையும் உடலையும் ஓர் அடித்து தலையிலே நெருக்கடிகளை குவித்து விடும் ஜாக்கிரதை. Going to talking about Subhash Chandra Bose was one of the greatest leaders and freedom fighter of India. He was born on 23 January 1897 in Qatar, Odisha.